the Commission on Human Rights has all the following powers and functions except to 1. Prosecute human rights offenders. 2. Investigate all forms of human rights violation. 3. Exercise visitorial powers over jails and prisons. 4. Recommend measures to promote human rights. 5. Adopt and implement its operational guidelines and rules on procedures. The answer is 1. Prosecute human rights offenders. Number 2. All kidnap for ransom acts or other terroristic activities primarily show total disregard for 1. Security of property. 2. National pride. 3. Human life. 4. Ethnic identity. 5. Psychological well-being. The answer is 4. Ethnic identity. Number 3. On December 10, 1948, the UN General Assembly adopted the Universal Declaration of Human Rights with the purpose of 1. Giving amnesty to all political detainees charged with rebellion or subversion. 2. Curbing socialism and communism and propagating democratic governments around the world. 3. Providing a common understanding of human rights and fundamental freedoms of all people regardless of race and nationality. 4. Monitoring and acting on all human rights violations committed by the police and the military. 5. Releasing all prisoners of war, POW, still held in different concentration camps around the world. The answer is 5. Releasing all prisoners of war still held in different concentration camps around the world. Number 4. The school expelled Jericho, a student, because of his refusal to attend the flag ceremony. The school authorities rejected his argument that singing the national anthem is against his religious belief. Are the school authorities correct? 1. Yes, because there is nothing in the Bible that prohibits attending flag ceremonies. 2. Yes, because the obligation to the country is different from the obligation to God. 3. No, because they violate the right of the student to due process of law and equal protection of the law. 4. No, because they violate the freedom of religion of the student. 5. No, because the words of God are supreme over all other laws, rules, and regulations. The answer is 4. No, because they violate the freedom of religion of the student. Number 5. Considering that values are internalized ideas and feelings commonly shared by the members of a society or an organization that bind the members together to live or establish an orderly life, they are best expressed through 1. Speech. 2. Actions. 3. Choice of readings. 4. Teachings. 5. Writings. The answer is 2. Actions. Number 6. All of the following, except 1, are functions or services that volunteers in the government can perform. Which is the exception? 1. Investigation. 2. Advisory. 3. Counseling. 4. Humanitarian. 5. Recommendation. The answer is 5. Recommendation. Number 7. Values development programs include all of the following, except 1. Which one is the exception? 1. Religious instructions and spiritual concerns. 2. Philippine history, culture, and tradition. 3. Nationalism and patriotism. 4. Ethical and moral values. 5. Democracy in a free and just society. The answer is 1. Religious instructions and spiritual concerns. Number 8. Which of the following is considered as the basic criterion of a true value? 1. It is imposed by the government. 2. It is acquired from a creditable person. 3. It is learned in school or fruit of education. 4. It is inculcated by one's parents since childhood. 5. It is freely chosen among alternatives being fully aware of its consequences. The answer is 5. It is freely chosen among alternatives being fully aware of its consequences. Number 9. The primary objective for the nationwide implementation of the Values Integration for Government Renewal, VIGOR, program is to 1. Enrich Filipino work and moral values. 2. Strengthen commitment to democratic way of life. 3. Improve employee performance and efficiency. 4. Enhance public trust and confidence in government. 5. Recognize extraordinary acts of patriotism and justice. The answer is 1. Enrich Filipino work and moral values. Number 10. Which of the following do people yearn and hope for? They can settle down on their respective homes without fear, and therefore focus on improving their quality of life? 1. Peace. 2. Money. 3. Jobs. 4. Justice. 5. Land. The answer is 1. Peace. Number 11. Which of the following statements is not true? 1. Human rights and fundamental freedoms allow us to develop and use our human qualities, our intelligence, our talents, and to satisfy our spiritual needs. 2. Human rights are the supreme and inalienable rights to life, dignity, and self-development. 3. One of the objectives of the Commission on Human Rights is to improve the economic and social standing of people who are victims of human rights violations. 4. To deny us our rights is a personal tragedy and creates conditions of social and political unrest. 5. All human beings are born free and equal and enjoy the bounties of nature. The answer is 4. To deny us our rights is a personal tragedy and creates conditions of social and political unrest. Number 12. Jaywalking, throwing garbage anywhere, vandalism, not waiting in line and tardiness are manifestations of 1. Lack of discipline. 2. Lack of punctuality. 3. Disorderliness. 4. Lack of sense of propriety. 5. Disregard for other people's propriety. The answer is 1. Lack of discipline. Number 13. In being economical, one must decide where the best place to begin. Really, in some families engage in petty economic that requires effort disproportionate to the 1. Happiness gained. 2. Sacrifice mode. 3. Resources conserved. 4. Money saved. 5. Time spent. The answer is 4. Money saved. We hope you learned